In this video from Device Doctor, I show how to fix the Epson L220 when the panel buttons become hard to press or do not respond.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
I teach you how to replace and swap the tactile switches so the buttons work smoothly again. To start repairing the buttons on the Epson L220, first remove the front cover. Use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry it off. Be careful to avoid breaking any plastic clips or damaging the printer. Removing the cover gives direct access to the keyboard board to repair or swap the buttons. Next, remove the 3 screws in this area and place them in a safe location. Keep them organized so you do not lose any during the repair. Now use a flathead screwdriver to carefully remove this part. This will give you full access to the keyboard board for button repair or replacement. Now carefully remove the keyboard board from the printer. Handle it gently to avoid any damage, as this board holds the buttons you need to repair or swap. Now you need to get 4 replacement buttons. These buttons can be easily purchased from electronics parts stores or online shops. First, plug in the soldering iron and let it heat up. Then, carefully use the Emboss Plus to remove the faulty buttons from the keyboard board, as shown in the video. Now, use the soldering iron to remove any remaining wires from the faulty buttons. Make sure no parts are left, and work carefully to avoid damaging the keyboard board. Now, attach the new buttons one by one and solder them carefully to the keyboard board. Make sure each button is securely connected. Now that all the buttons are properly connected, reconnect the ribbon cable to the keyboard board. Plug in the printer and test the buttons to make sure they are working correctly. Plug in the printer and test the power button to see if it is working properly. Our keyboard is now fully repaired, and there are no remaining issues. Reassemble the printer carefully. If you want to see how to close the printer completely, watch the video until the end. If not, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor before leaving. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. Now your Epson L220 keyboard is fully repaired and working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to Device Doctor for more repair tutorials.